You know, I've been doing the YouTube thing since 2010. There's going to be times I set out to do some filming somewhere at a location and something's going to get fouled up. Well, today's one of them days. I will not be using my Vixia G70, my newer camera. It's all going to be done on GoPro. We are here in Batesville, Indiana at one of the reservoirs, and it is cold. And I'm going to tell you why things changed for today. In the meantime, I'm going to grab Kitt from Angie because he minds me better. And we're going to go look at a reservoir and do some talking. And I hope that's okay for a video today, y'all. It ain't what I planned, trust me. Well, today's plan was to go to Metamora, Indiana, and get some video footage of the town, the canal, and everything that makes Metamora special. Okay, so on the way out there, we decided to take some back roads. Oh my Lord. Let me tell y'all, them back roads were something else. I should have recorded the back roads because they were up there for beauty now. We get to Metamora, we have no idea. It's an off season, at least we think. But guess what's around the corner, kinda? Christmas. So I guess they had some kind of Christmas thing going on. There was nowhere to park, although we kept seeing signs. You can park here for $5. Tons and tons of people. I think it was something that had to do with a Christmas walk. So we drove on through to kind of kill it. I don't like to videotape when there's a lot of people, because some people don't like to get in videos. Trust me, I ran across a lot of them that don't. So I was like, well, wait a minute here. I gotta have a backup. I was already worked it out of my head what I was gonna say about Metamora, and then I had to come back up. And before we go any further, let me show you this beautiful reservoir. Oh, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't rightfully remember the name of this reservoir. But if you remember, when I first got the G70, the Vixia G70 is where I was practicing out at. Yeah, there's a little waterfall right down there. I got some of that. And Kitt, oh Kitt, you and I are going to have a talk, young man. First of all, you don't pee on my leg, which I don't think you're going to. But would you quit pulling me? So anyway, we decided, well, I'm going to go ahead and get Liberty Park. You know, I've gotten Liberty Park before on my videos. Liberty Park's here in Batesville. I've gotten it before, but I was going to get it again because some of the things about Liberty Park, I'll tell you some of them now. You hear lots of parks. Well, here in Batesville, they are continuously making Liberty Park. They are continuously making that park better for the public. Yes, continuously. Well, Angie had to use the bathroom, so we got out of the car, and I didn't notice what was on the ground until I stepped out, and I was like, oh crap, there's ice. Oh, did I mention it's very cold? And then I opened the door for Kitt to get out, and he just jumps right on out. Didn't have any time to put his leash on, but thank God I do have him trained enough. I was like, Kitt, stay, and he'll stay. Well, I kind of jerked when he jumped out. My finger kind of got caught up in his harness. And it got caught up in his harness. And my fingernail twisted back, and I don't know what the hell it did. But it cut down into the side of my finger. That hurt like hell. And then I was like, okay, while Angie's in the bathroom, you know, I go ahead and walk some a little bit, you know, get some of that energy out of him before we start videoing. And then that wind hit. Oh, it's cold, but that wind makes it colder. And it makes matters worse. We're in hoodies. Yes, Angie and I both are in hoodies. Kitt's not in a hoodie, no. He just has his fur. See, the thing is, okay, it's December, right? Normally, on a normal year, we are used to the weather right now. It takes quite a few days of the cold to get your body used to it. Guys, all through November, we had weather dang near in the 70s, 60s, and 70s. we never got just pretend I know what I'm saying. But we never got used to the weather. So right off the bat, Mother Nature's like, we're gonna give you snow. Yeah, we had snow this morning. We're gonna give you snow. We're gonna give you freezing rain. We're gonna drop the temperatures down into the 20s. We're gonna make that wind chill 15 degrees. It did. Right now it's not 15 degrees, it is 21 degrees. And the wind chill might be taking it down to 15, I don't know. But it is cold. So we got back in the car. I was like, I hate not being able to get a video. I hate it. I was like, let's come over here to this reservoir. This is one of my favorite reservoirs. I've only fished it one time. May fish it this summer, I do not know. We got so many places we want to fish. That's a whole other story. So we came over here and I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna break out the G70. I do have the G70 on board. I'm just gonna do it all on GoPro. Yes, every single bit of it. And I figure I make a video of the day I'm having, because I started off the video saying, as a YouTuber, I am a YouTuber, but I also like to consider myself a videographer, because this is what I like to do. I like to get nature, and he's eating grass. And sometimes when we set out to get locations, sometimes I will study on a location for a whole week before I go out there. Metamora, I knew a lot about it because I've been there before one other time, and also been to the canal trail hike once before, and Angie and I did that. So I knew a little bit of the history behind it. In other words, I knew what I was going to say, and sometimes it happens like that. A lot of times it happens like that, and you have to change your whole thing over to something else, and this is what it is today. Let me show you this waterfall coming out that I got on the G60, or the vixia G70, Michael. Come on, get your head out of your rump. That's me talking to myself. Sometimes I do that. Now the water was coming out about like it is now when I got this footage last. And then you have, not sure what we would call that. That controls whatever in there. I would imagine it controls the reservoir above. And then if you swing around this way, you got the water coming out this end. Yeah, we might as well go ahead and show you guys a pan. Yeah, residents over there, people live there. Oh, I love to live there. And then you have the beautiful reservoir up on top. Oh, Batesville. This is one of the many reservoirs here, y'all. And to make matters even worse, the sock I have, or I'm sorry, the glove I have, has a hole in a couple of the fingers. That's okay though. And yes, I do yell at myself a lot because I am my biggest critic. I get mad at myself when I goof up. And I'm only human. I goof up more than you would ever meet anybody goofing up. Half the words I say don't come out proper. And the way I think, because I think sometimes too fast before I speak, and they come out all butched up. Okay, come on, jump over, baby. You can do it. Yay! Oh, hold it. Now you're going to pull Daddy over and he's going to fall again. Okay, you don't want to do that. Oh, for the love of ketchup and pickle juice. I swear what I'm going to do with you, Kitt. And the other thing I'm angry with myself for right now is, what, Ange?
It's Oser Reservoir.
Okay, the name of the reservoir, which I don't know if you heard, Ange, is called Oser Reservoir. Yeah, I couldn't remember the name. But the other thing I'm angry with myself on is, Kitt ain't going to be able to get a good workout because it's cold. I'm close by my car now because we're going to probably end the video soon. It's just damn cold. Give me till probably another couple weeks and I will be laughing at these temperatures. At least I think I will. But guys, a little bit of what I do. I like to make all my videos come out. And yes, a lot of it has to do with some type of water, creek, dam, river. Because I find beauty in that. I also find beauty in Mother Nature. When I'm doing videos like this, it sings to me. And the song it sings is a song that soothes my soul. And sometimes I like to bring it out to you all, see, but today, it is what it is. And I hate using that sand. My wife hates it too, but it kind of goes with it. And of course, when the camera's off, my beautiful, wonderful wife says, you don't hate it. You use it all the time. If you hate it, you wouldn't use it. She is correct. I try not to use it, but I do. So this is it, guys. I'm sorry. Maybe to get out to do another adventure, it would definitely be next weekend. I am going to be making a video in the middle of the week of my Vixen G70. It's going to be like a review, but I will make it where it's pleasable for everybody to watch. Yeah, I will come up with some format for that. And for today, this is it, y'all. I'm headed back home. I think my car needs a car wash. It's dirty. Because you may not know this, between yesterday and today, we put over close to 300 miles on the car. Yeah. That's because we went to different places, and it's how we find things. Did we find anything today, though, Ange? Kind of, yes. In the town of Owensburg, it's a German town, which really I think is kind of cool. They have a college campus there. They have some big, beautiful old buildings. Yeah, sometimes I like to get old buildings on my videos. All right, guys, my hand's frozen. We're going to end it here. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments down below. And I'm not going to say it, but let's do it anyway, just to aggravate the wife. It is what it is. This is today's video. Till next time, come on, let's get out of here. Thank you. Hit that like button. Of course, I wouldn't hit a like button on this particular content, but just in case, hit it anyway, and we'll catch you next time. Come on, let's get out of here.